Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, first we discuss the brief description about this presentation with Microsoft PowerPoint, and this is the syllabus for your post midterm exam. Also, only this chapter will come, only one chapter. So, introduction means the PowerPoint is a multimedia presentation software. It is a part of Microsoft package of application. Microsoft PowerPoint software is used to create professional looking slides that can be displayed on projector or big screen that you are knowing how to make a PowerPoint presentation with the help of this and how to display with the help of projector and big screen television also. So this product is a software presentation using the presenter who wants to show their views to the audience. They may are making the presentations, and in the presentations they are able to insert a image, insert a voice message, insert mp3, insert the video also, insert some that clips also if they want to insert then. And for why we are making this, to make our views, we make our presentation where very attractive. Some tools are there and some formatting tools are there to insert in these slides. Some more layouts are there. With the help of that layout we are inserting the images, inserting the pictures. Then getting to PowerPoint, how to get a PowerPoint, click on start button, all programs, Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, uh, 2010, or type PowerPoint. It will come in the search box, then open it. Then these are all the tools and tabs is given here. Then this click to add title or click to add subtitle. This place is known as the placeholder, and here we are writing what you want to show in the presentations. So it is given here some components. Title bar is given, title bar ribbon, view access toolbar, slide pane, slide outline tab, placeholder, notes pane, status bar, vertical or horizontal scroll bar. It is given and discussed earlier, so you have to read once this all. Then how to create a slide is given here. So type the title on the presentation in the click to add title bar. So here click to add title bar, there you have to write the title, and then subtitle if you want to give at the below subtitle you can write. Then using slide layouts, here in the presentation slides is given here, layout is given here. So according to your plan, so first of all you have to make the planning of your presentation, what you want to show to the audience, and then after that you have to discuss, you have to select about the different layouts. That layout will help you to insert the images and insert anything. If you want to insert that, it will help you to insert. And then it is easy also, because some layout are not giving permission to insert a image, so you have to find out the layout according to your planning or presentation and then select the layout from there. Click on new slide and go to the home tab. There the different layout gallery displayed, from there you have to select. Then viewing your presentation, how to view. PowerPoint provides several ways of viewing a presentations. These are the view: a normal view, slide sorter view, and slideshow view. Like this, if you want to view presentation for your own, for your presentation, if you want to give, so from here you have to select. It is there at the bottom of the screen. Then PowerPoint view, normal view, it is given here. Normal view means in the view, main editing view used to design or create presentation. In the normal view you can add text, means it is the first part of your presentation. So if you want to add or if you want to delete what you want to do in the slide, so in the normal view you are able to do. Then second one is slide sorter view. Slide sorter view shows the thumbnail of all your slides, that you can add, delete, or change the order of your slides. So see here, left side it is given here, slide sorter view. It means it will show like this only. All the slides are there in one screen, and from here if you want to add any slide, or if you want to if you want to make change the place of that particular slide, or if you want to delete a slide, so from here in slots with the help of slide sorter view you are able to do this. Then here in slide sorter view, that reading views, notepad view, it is also given here. uh, for some keys are also there. So escape key is used to go back to the view where you are using previously, and then left click means to move to the next slide or next animation. Right click means to open the pop-up menu. You can use this menu to navigate the slides and speaker notes. Then F5 helps you to pressing the view the presentation from first slide. So after completing the slide, if you want to see your presentation how it is moving or how it is showing in front of you, so press the F5 function 5 button, so it will show from the first slide. Then saving your presentation. To save your presentation, click file tab and save, and give the location where you want to save, and then at the last you have to give the extension also .pptx. Then zoom control button. Zoom control button means it is given in the status bar. So if you want to zoom in and zoom out of your slide, so it is easy to do from there, zoom control button. Then if you want to delete the slide, right click the slide and then select the delete slide. If you want to move, then you have to drag and drop of your slide. Organize means rearrange, means you have to go to the slide sorter view, or in the normal view you are able to do this. Then enhance to look of your slides. Then moving a placeholder and filling the placeholder with colors. This are in the tool text box, it is given there. So if you want to change the color of your placeholder or subtitle holder, then you are able to, means right click on that place, and then you will be getting the that shape fill color. There you can change the color of your placeholder background color. So here adding a background to your slide is given here. So if you want to change the color, if you want to background some, right click on that, and then you will be getting the attractive that background images or background colors also. Then formatting a slide. Formatting means that if you want to write, or if you want formatting means what, if you want to change the size of your font, that font color, font style, this is known as the formatting. Then if you want to show your text as bold, italic or underline format, this is known as the formatting of your slide text. So you are knowing about this. So if you are knowing about this and you are familiar about the bulleted and number list also. Bulleted means picture will display or sign will display, and number means only a number or alphabets. According to that you are able to write the points also. Then applying themes. If you want to change the theme of your presentation, then go to design tab, and from there select from the theme group. If you want to you select any theme from there, and then if you want to apply to all, then click on the apply to all, that all the slides that will apply the same theme. Then slide master. Slide master means if you want to change the means common theme, if you want to select the common theme in all the slide, so with the help of this slide master, it is you are able to do the formatting work. So adding header and footer. Adding header and footer means if you want to add the header and footer. Header means heading, and footer means at the last, if you are giving any note message or any time message or any insert page number, so you are able to give with the help of that footer. And header means giving the heading, and there if you want to footer, if you want to give the date and time, then also it will change automatically according to the update of your system. Then watermark. Watermark means very transparent picture if you want to insert your slide. So with the help of this watermark you are able to do this. Then adding shapes is also given here. If you want to add the shape in your presentation, tools is given there, other tools, shape, art gallery. Then insert image, same formatting work as the earlier chapter we had discussed in Word. Same we are using here for the editing work of your slide. Then if you want to add the audio and video, insert tab, you have to click on the insert tab, and there media group is given there. From there you are able to insert your mp3 and mp4. mp4 means the video, if you want to insert in your slide. Then animating slides or slide object, it is adding slide transition to slides. Adding slide means adding effects to the way to slide changes. So student, this topic I will discuss earlier, then next period I will complete the chapter, and next period I will discuss the exercise also and question answer I had given earlier. So write all the question answers in your notebook. Thank you.